There's a little carousel ride. The rain has let up considerably. It's about 3:45, and not a lot of people coming in.
No riding backwards, double or side travel. Now that the ride has started, please do not change animals.
It's going real slow starting.
I like the song.
Oh, that's you dancing. I was wondering why my animal's bouncing. Oh yeah, it's a rainy one. Just yeah, it's dark up there. So that kid over there by the carousel, or by the water, he's dunking his hair in the water. Ew. So we're rocking out with Matthew. What's up, buddy? We caught up in the Go Fresh and just been waiting out the rain delay there and just moved our way over here. Now, yeah. Well, they are closing early. They're closing at 8. It's even on the app now.
Lucky.
Wow. Had some good boomers in that store. Oh yeah, that's what's happening. Just hanging out. Carousel rocking. At least it's dry. Harbor closed, so I wonder if all those people are actually hanging around or if they left. Okay. It's been fun. And it sucks. We had 16 rides before the downtime.
Well, we're at 17.
This is 17 now. We were on a good pace. We would have cracked like 40. I could have stayed riding in the heat and sweat.